Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2008 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe Z51 Indy 500 in black on black and titanium interior. So we'll start over at the trunk area. I'll let you have a look. So nice size trunk here on this one, as you can see. The target top is removable and designed to clip in here as well as here and lock into the back locks here. We've got storage compartment here as well as over here in the corner, and then it's got the privacy shade here on the trunk lid. So we'll go ahead, we'll close it. It does have soft close, so I'll just simply press and it pulls itself shut. We'll have a look here from the back. It's got the nice circular tail lights. We've got the quad tip NPP performance exhaust. So it's got dampers on the two center ports that open and close based on RPM, making the exhaust louder or quieter. So we'll shift around this side here. It's got the Emerson Fittipaldi signature here on the back, which is part of the Indy 500 pack. And then we've got nice chrome wheel, red painted calipers, painted Z51 cross-drilled rotors, and nice Goodyear tires on there. Over at the passenger side, again, we've got the nice ebony with the titanium finish, power windows, power locks, electronic door release, and that nice BOSE stereo. Here's the kick plate on the passenger side. It's in good shape, as you can see. And for our power seat, we've got power fore, aft, up, down, power lumbar, side bolster adjustments, and a manual recline. I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. And at the top, we've got the embroidered, let's see what it says, Indianapolis Speedway. So very neat. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and tidy. We'll check out in the glove box. So in the glove box, we've got the books. We've got the embossed Corvette logo here on the dash. Have a look at the upper portion of the dash. Looks good. So we'll hop out. We'll close this side up. And I'll just step to the back of the vehicle. And we'll move along this side of the car so you can see the condition. Looks good. And at the front here, I'll just stop and I'll show you the badging. So it's got the Indianapolis Motor Speedway badge here on the fender as well. And there's your front wheel. So again, nice chrome wheels, cross-drilled Z51 painted rotors, painted calipers, and nice Goodyear tires. Under the hood, we've got the V8 6.2 liter motor, which is 430 horsepower, and that's paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. And as you can see, it's nice and tidy under here, as it should be. We've got the hood blanket, and it's also got the embossed Corvette logo as well. So we'll go ahead, we'll close the hood. We'll have a look here from the front. So on the front, we've got the nice projector, black housing, HUD headlights, and we've got fog lights down below. And then we've got the high mount or lower mount here for the license plate as well. In terms of issues, there are some little small stone chips here on the hood. Some of them are very, very small. Some have been touched up with paint, but they are there just so you can see. Nothing you're not going to get going down the road. I find that they seem to show larger on the camera than they do in person, but again, I just want to point them out so you know that they're there. Not a big deal. So we'll carry on. Here's your other front wheels. So again, nice chrome wheels, red painted calipers, painted Z51 cross-drilled rotors, and nice Goodyear tires. And same thing here on the back. Awesome. So we'll move on to the driver's side. So we've got our power locks. We've got 2-user programmable memory, a programmable exit button, power mirrors, power windows, electronic door release, and again, that nice BOSE stereo. Here's the kick plate on the driver's side. So overall in really good shape, a little bit of minor scuffing, nothing major. And we've got our power seat, power fore, aft, up, down, power lumbar, side bolster adjustments, and a manual recline. I'll just go ahead and scan up this seat so you can see the condition. And again, it's got the embroidered Indianapolis Speedway at the top there as well, part of the Indy 500 pack. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and tidy. We'll get in, we'll fire this one up. There it is. So in terms of kilometers, we have 26,711, nice and low, no warning lights or issues there on the dash. We do have our paddle shifters plus and minus over on this side. Same thing on this side, plus and minus. Volume controls and track change and favorites for the radio. Over on this side here, we've got our heads-up display control. So I'll just turn off the headlights so you can see that. So there's the heads-up display. You can move the position, you can change the brightness, and you can also shift through different information that you would like displayed there. So that's all controlled here. We've got our dimmer switch for the dash, fuel door release, trunk release, manual tilt, and then on this side we have a power telescopic steering column. Push button start, and then we've got the buttons for the information center. We've got a radio here, so just check this as AM, FM, and XM. We've got CD and an auxiliary line in as well. And then down below here, we've got our dual zone climate control. So there's automatic, and there's your temperature for the driver, temperature for the passenger, and then we've got our heated seats. So there's the driver's heated seat, passenger heated seat, and in the center here we do have an ashtray and a 12-volt socket. There's your 6-speed automatic shifter, there's your cup holder, traction control on and off, and then in here we have a 12-volt socket as well. Frameless auto-dimming rear view mirror with OnStar, and above we've got our garage door universal control, and this one does have the clear transparent Targa roof as well, so very neat. So now we'll just hop out with the running, we'll have a look and listen. So there it is, and again that's with the NPP closed, so if you would prefer it to be loud, you can actually remove the fuse, and that will put the exhaust into the louder mode all the time. So here it is from the front, and we'll just move along this side of the vehicle so you can see the condition. Looks great. And it's got the signature on this side as well. Here it is from the back. So there's the dampers I was speaking of, and like I said, they're closed right now, so it's in quiet mode. And there you have it, folks. 2008 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe Z51 with the Indy 500 pack, here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.